I make arrabbiata guys ha. Garlic and olive oil and then black olives guys. Now I put penny. You see? I put penny guys ha. Yes. And then guys, I put tomato sauce. Yes. Oh, tomato sauce. Tomato sauce two and a half. This is the secret. Guys, ha? Very nice guys. Penne arrabbiata guys ha. Italian pasta. Now I put chili. See the chili guys. Cherry tomato, yan. Cherry tomato yan. Secret. Sugar guys, little sugar for sweetness. Now coming milk tea guys. Now I put parmesan cheese guys. Finally is parmesan. You see guys? Now is with the arrabbiata. You see? You see the arrabbiata. Now guys, wala tayo plating na tayo guys ha. Oh. See how plating good. And yummy this. You see the milk tea? Yes. Guys ha, parmesan guys, side and the top, and decoration na tayo guys. Decoration tayo guys.
Plate, papi. Plastic plate. Okay. Plate.
Ayan, kaunting ano siya guys ha. And then olive oil na kaunting guys. Ayan. Guys, ready na siya. Ready, the order is ready, done. Thank you for watching guys. Arrabbiata guys. Ready na siya guys. Napaka ano niya, melty and taste good. Oh. And preparation and design. You see? Wow. Thank you guys for watching.